So a lot of creepers now on the ground, all taken out. Okra, creepers, in terms of bitter gourd, sponge gourd, all come out from these places. Why? Because we have now a change of season. So summer is gone. The sunlight is there, but it's not that good anymore. The produce we are getting is stunted, wilted, or not as voluminous as we would like. So now what do? What is the time? The time we've already done it in some places, but we have to do more. So more of brinjal, more of cauliflower and such stuff. So we're going to plant more and more of these. So we're making these places ready for that. If you see here, for example, this one had a beautiful sponge gourd creeper that will go from here all the way up. That's now gone. Where is it? It is now here in one of these piles. What will I do with all this stuff? This will go into the compost pile, or not even the compost pile. What we typically do is, when we're making new new plants, new planters, this just goes to the bottom. It will slowly decompose over a period of time, and we see that even more here. A lot of these are now empty. The soil is fairly good. This one is a bit of a problem. I need to change this one, but other than the soil for the others is good. So some tomatoes already started coming up, but we have a lot more to plant. The cool season is upon us. We have to make the best out of it. Look at the quantity. There's huge amounts of quantity here. Then there are these grow bags that we are going to be putting all of this stuff in. So you can see here, all going at the bottom, and then on top of that we'll put some compost and some mud and some additives, and we'll get all of these grow bags ready. See here, some of this has already happened, but this is ongoing process. Okay, this was a quick video. Thank you. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.